Welcome to a day in the life of me dating my wife. Happy Sunday, y'all.
Well, this place is super cute.
Big Easy BBQ. It's a Cajun smokehouse. They have fantastic catfish too. So we're here at Big Easy BBQ. My wife hates seafood and weird food and any food that's not chicken or beef, or sometimes pork. And I was like, you want appetizer? She was like, sure, unless you get in the gator. It just happened we get in the gator. So yeah, she didn't want an appetizer. Happy Sunday.
This is what I'm getting. Peter.
Otherwise known in Florida as swamp puppies.
Big amazing potato. Found a local Tractor Supply. I had no idea it was close to our house. This is what we're looking for. That's what we are going to mark our trees with. And no hunting purple. $8 a can. Okay, so we got 6 cans of spray paint. So next weekend, hopefully if it's not raining, we'll head there and mark some trees because the neighbor ended up buying the land and we got...
The pig farmer. Y'all remember the pig farmer?
Yeah, and our neighbor Neil ended up calling us yesterday, said that he was actively clearing out the land. So we're so excited.
And his son's an avid hunter. This is no hunting purple. Didn't even know it was a thing, but apparently it is. So I'll get to hunt on my land. He won't. And we're gonna have cameras everywhere so that if they do, I can find him. For a Sunday stroll at the park.
Nice day to... Or a nice way
Sounds like a
to
dog
wind
fight.
down the... Jeez.
We have bad dogs coming, so we're gonna have to keep ours in check. Good boy.
Just takes her seeing it's okay. Soccer ball, of course. The tennis ball.
He always seemed to find a soccer ball everywhere we go. I have never seen as many soccer balls in my life as he finds on random walks in the dirt. Oh, that's why you're walking.
Just filming.